Do you want to remove reposts on Instagram? You can delete reposts on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To remove reposts from your Instagram profile, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Now, you will see the main post grid and Reels tabs below your profile picture and bio. Tap on the Reposts tab next to your main posts grid and Reels. A list of all the posts and Reels you have reposted will appear here. Find the repost you want to remove from here. Long press on the post that you want to delete. You will see a pop-up like this. From the pop-up, move your hand to the Delete Repost option at the bottom right of the screen. You can also open the post and tap on the Remove Repost icon from there. Once removed, the repost will no longer appear on your profile.